maths, probability. 'Tis a bit blurry, but we can still read it. So, we've all used spinners before. You know, we've all made them, hopefully. We've all made spinners before. I know in my class I made them. Yeah, you've all seen me make them, some of you. Anyway, it's a spinny thing with numbers around the sides, and they're not in the same order. So you've got 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, and a 1. So, judging by this, what is the probability of the spinner landing on a 1 or 3? So, in this instance, you have to count all of the little pizzas, I guess, segments. I remembered the word. Is it segments? I'm digressing now. Okay, so you're going to count them. So how many 3s do we have? 2. And how many 1s do we have? 1. So 2 plus 1 equals... Wait. That was horrible. 3. So 3 out of 8. What is the probability? 3 out of 8. How would I write that down? 3. That button. 8. 3/8. I've given you the answer for the first one just to show you how it's done. But probability is one of those things where it's super duper easy if you allow it to be. If you say to yourself, oh, it's just numbers and fractions. No, don't think that way. It's easy. The second question asks us, what is the probability of the spinner not landing on a 3? So this last one we had 3 of them because it was 2 3s and a 1, but now it's only a 3. So how many are in the spinner altogether? 8. How many 3s are there, did we ask for last time? 2. So the probability of this is actually, I'll give you a secret. There are 2 answers. There's the obvious one, 2 out of 8. But if you notice something about these numbers, you can divide 2 into both of them. How many 2s are in 2? How many 2s are in 2? How many 2s are there? There's 1 set of 2. How many 2s are in 8? Let's have a look. We got 2. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's called simplifying the fraction. Both of those responses, those answers, are correct. Yes, 2 out of 8. But for those of you who want to be fancy and really mess with the teacher, they'll know the answer, trust me. You can simplify it. And that just shows us that you understand fractions and simplifying fractions. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Think about it. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So when it comes to fractions, I'll just give you a quick brief thing. Do to the top, or do to the numerator, that which you would do to the denominator. So do to the denominator, the bottom number, that you would do to the top. Okay? If they are both not divisible by a number, try another one. So if you got 3 over 6, for example, I'll write it down. 3 over 6, both are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that is equal to half, which makes sense because 3 is half of 6. Do you get it? There's a relationship with numbers and fractions. So anyway, let me get rid of these answers before your teachers yell at me for giving you all the answers. And again, like I said earlier, do not fear probability. It is a lot of fun and is so much easier once you relax and just get into it. Look forward to seeing what you come up with. Have fun.